guys, welcome to another video. Today I have another vacuum unboxing. In this box should be another old pneumatic. That's all I ever seem to buy now is pneumatics. But yeah, we have another old pneumatic in here. Probably this is late 80s, say 89, 1990. This is well, yeah. Won it off eBay. It cost me £41, something like that, plus the postage, which was about £10. So it's not too bad really. Don't really see these a lot, to be fair. These older machines. So yeah, let's have a look at this. So it's not complete. It's only got a hose and a bent end and one straight one with it. So, oh, it's got the cord hook. That's alright. That's quite rare to see. Look, it's got the cord hook on it. Right, so first off, packing. We've got two wands here. Not well. I don't know if these original are. Well, I don't think they are actually, because they would have had the circles inside. They're definitely 90s though. 90s, early 2000s. So we've got that there. The end of that's quite mashed up. And we've got the vacuum itself, which I can literally take out after that. So, right, there's the machine. Right, there we go. Let's just sort all this stuff out. As you can see, probably can see just off camera, it's quite faded. Right, let's bring it into shot. So here it is. This is a Charles. You see the machine's quite faded, unfortunately. Motor's in pretty good nick actually, as well. Let's take this off. So filter, cable, which isn't original, but we can sort that out really. And we've got the hose, which is actually, I don't know if that's is that a longer hose? I don't know. And then we've got a bag, like a, well, they could have put a new bag in it at least, or even thrown this one away, because this one's full of crap. So I'll throw that one away, to be fair. It's full of other people's dirt. So it's got the steel rimmed filter on it. And yeah, it looks in alright condition, to be honest. Base is dated 1989, so yeah, that's quite cool. Of course, this will need bringing back to life, although it could do with a new base, to be fair. I mean, I'll probably get hold of a base actually, thinking of it. Yeah, I'll probably get hold of a base. Yeah, so there is the machine. That is the original cvc370. Move this hose out of the way and this out of the way, and yeah, there we go. I've actually got a that's the original squeegee toy we've had. I've actually got the cvc375 here as well to compare it. And yeah, just a different base, different underneath set out. Of course, this one's got the integrated ball float in there. But yeah, I'll be putting this cvc375 in the loft, as this one goes more with the vacs I've got out at the minute. So yeah, I mean, I'll probably just get hold of a new base. There's one on eBay, but don't really want to fork out that kind of money. Although I probably could get this back if I tried the heat gun method, but the plastic looks like it's going brittle. It's got them little, like, very faint cracks in it. Not actual cracks, but like it looks like it's cracking. But I mean, we can try and get it back. Worst comes to worst, we'll just put a new base on it. Even if I just get a 2000s Charles base, or early 2000s or late 90s, I can just wipe the face off, put sticker face on it, good as gold. Put that in the bin. I'll put this in the bin actually. We'll fire it up quick. See what it sounds like. Won't run it for long because suppressors and that. So yeah, let's fire it up. It should run alright to be fair. It doesn't look rusty. Probably have a little bit bearing noise, but that's about it. So here we go. Ready? Tell you what, that runs faultless. That does. That runs absolutely fine. But yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Original cvc370. I've got the newer cvc370 in the shed. To smell like my work Hoover. Yeah, this will come up fine. It's not really damaged or anything on the top. The bumper's in good nick as well. It just needs a good clean. That's all it really needs. This is split, but I think I've got a spare cover actually, so I can just chuck that on there. I'm glad it's got the original cord hook as well, because they always snap off. But yeah, we've got hoses and stuff, which is handy. I can put this on something. So yeah, definitely not original hose and stuff, but I'm not too bothered about that. So yeah, it's definitely 1989, 1990. I'll put it in the title, of course, because I'll probably have refurbed it by the time the video's been uploaded and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, there we go. There is my new cvc370 Charles from about 1989, 1990. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And of course, bye for now.